Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the difference between a TransUnion credit freeze and a fraud alert. A fraud alert and a credit freeze are both free services that protect your credit, but they work in very different ways. A fraud alert is a notice added to your credit report. It tells lenders to take extra steps to verify your identity before they approve an application for new credit in your name. For example, a lender might call you to confirm it's really you who is applying. Fraud alerts are temporary and typically last for 1 year, although they can be renewed. If you place a fraud alert with one of the 3 major credit bureaus, that bureau will notify the other 2. A credit freeze, also known as a security freeze, is a more powerful tool. It locks down your credit report, making it inaccessible to most third parties. This means that a potential lender cannot view your credit report, and as a result, they cannot open a new account in your name. A credit freeze is indefinite and stays in place until you decide to lift it. To apply for new credit, you would need to temporarily unfreeze your report. Unlike a fraud alert, you must place a credit freeze with each of the 3 major credit bureaus individually. In summary, a fraud alert is like a warning sign that tells lenders to be careful, while a credit freeze is a locked door that prevents lenders from accessing your credit report at all. A fraud alert is a good option if you are actively applying for new credit but still want protection. A credit freeze is the stronger choice if you're not planning to apply for any new credit and want the highest level of protection against identity theft. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.